Space, a vast and unforgiving frontier. Our solar system is home to worlds both breathtaking and deadly. But have you ever wondered what it would be like to meet your end on each planet? Let's explore the unique, and often horrifying, ways you could perish on every planet in our solar system. We'll start with Earth, our home planet. Here, dangers are mundane yet relentless: drowning, falling, extreme weather, or natural disasters. Gravity is just right to keep us grounded, and the atmosphere provides breathable air. But venture to other planets, and survival becomes impossible. First stop, Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. With no atmosphere to protect you, you'd either freeze instantly in the shadowy regions at -180°C or be scorched alive in the sunlight at 430°C. The lack of oxygen and exposure to intense solar radiation would make survival an unthinkable challenge. Additionally, the wild temperature swings between day and night would leave no time for adaptation. Death here is both swift and agonizing. Next, Venus, a planet so hostile it's often called Earth's evil twin. The crushing pressure is 92 times that of Earth's atmosphere, equivalent to being 900 meters underwater. The air is toxic with carbon dioxide, laced with droplets of sulfuric acid. The surface temperature reaches a searing 475°C, hot enough to melt lead. You wouldn't last more than a second before being incinerated or crushed. Even a robotic probe, like the Soviet Venera, only survived minutes here. Mars might seem more hospitable, but it's far from safe. The atmosphere is over 95% carbon dioxide and far too thin to breathe. Step outside without a suit, and you'd suffocate within seconds. Meanwhile, temperatures average -60°C and can drop even lower at night. Your body would quickly lose heat, leading to hypothermia. Radiation exposure from the lack of a magnetic field adds to the dangers, causing cellular damage over time. On Mars, death would be a slow combination of suffocation-freezing. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, has no solid surface. Falling into its atmosphere would be a terrifying descent. Initially, you'd experience crushing winds reaching up to 1,000 km/h. As you go deeper, the atmospheric pressure and temperature rise exponentially. The intense pressure would crush your body long before you reach the molten core, which is thought to be tens of thousands of degrees Celsius. Jupiter is a deadly abyss with no escape. Saturn's fate is similar to Jupiter's. Its gaseous nature means there's no ground to land on. As you plunge deeper, you'd encounter hurricane-force winds and rising pressure. Temperatures increase as you approach the core, which is believed to reach around 11,700 degrees Celsius. The planet's beautiful rings are composed of icy debris, but don't be fooled, Saturn is as deadly as it is mesmerizing. Uranus, an ice giant, is deceptively calm from afar. However, it's one of the coldest places in the solar system, with temperatures dropping to -224°C. Falling through its atmosphere, you'd be exposed to methane-rich air and freezing conditions. The deeper you go, the crushing pressure would turn gases into a supercritical fluid, and your body would be compacted into oblivion. Death here is a combination of freezing, suffocation, and immense pressure. Neptune is the windiest planet in the solar system, with supersonic winds reaching speeds of 2,100 km/h. If the cold, at -214°C, doesn't kill you instantly, the winds would tear you apart. As you fall deeper, the atmospheric pressure rises rapidly, and the temperatures soar closer to the core. Like Uranus, Neptune offers no solid surface and no chance of survival. Finally, Pluto. Although it's no longer classified as a planet, it deserves a mention. The dwarf planet is a realm of perpetual winter, with surface temperatures dropping to -230°C. Exposed skin would freeze almost instantly, and the near-vacuum environment means there's no breathable air. Your body would slowly lose heat and collapse under the lack of pressure. On Pluto, death is a slow, freezing fade into the dark. And what about the Sun? Approaching this fiery star, you'd be vaporized long before you reach its surface. The Sun's outer layers, the corona, reach temperatures of millions of degrees Celsius. Even spacecraft designed to study the Sun can only get so close. For a human, death by the Sun is instantaneous and utterly final. The planets of our solar system are awe-inspiring, but they remind us of the fragility of life on Earth. While these worlds are deadly, they also drive us to explore, to understand, and to appreciate our place in the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up and wondering what's out there.